Number 10, finally, a simple reflector. This is a game changer for portrait and product photography, and for lots of other things when you start thinking about it. A reflector is a simple collapsible disc that bounces light back onto your subject. It's perfect for filling in shadows and giving your photos a more professional, polished look. You can get a cheap one with different sides like silver, gold and white for all sorts of lighting conditions. And these really can make a massive, massive difference. They can transform photos. I really strongly recommend getting a reflector. If you take photos of people, you can make a massive difference to photos, and they're not expensive, so give them a go. I don't take photos of people often, so I do. I've got a load of reflectors. I just don't use them that much because you'd need a big reflector for a building, wouldn't it? Or for a photo of a mountain. Just saying.